This time, Take will make thick cut pork cutlets. If the meat is thick, the outside may be charred, but the inside will not be cooked well when fried. To solve the problem, the meat is preprocessed at a low temperature before deep frying.
Oh, it's exciting.
Put the meat in a bag and add 1 tablespoon of Japanese sake. Evacuate the air, seal the bag, and cook at 63 degrees Celsius for 2.5 hours. The temperature and time of low temperature cooking can be adjusted according to the thickness of the meat. Regarding the low temperature cooking, please check the description. While cooking at low temperature, prepare vegetables for garnish. Shred the cabbage. Slice the peppers. When the meat is cooked, season with salt and pepper. Coat with flour. Dip in beaten egg and breadcrumbs. Fry at about 160 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Then fry on high heat for another 2 minutes. Now, it is ready to eat. Cut the meat into bite-sized pieces. You can see that the meat is cooked through.
Wow!
Arrange the vegetables and serve the tonkatsu. Use tonkatsu sauce for the sauce. A delicious thick pork fillet cutlet is ready to eat. He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube.
Wow!
Thank you very much for your watching.